Alright, today we're gonna make some fluffy slime. We are so excited. We have decided to make the unicorn fluffy slime, so we grabbed our neon food coloring, and then we need Elmer's glue, saline solution, foamy shaving cream, not gel, some baking soda, just a 1/4 cup of water, and we want some glitter for our slime and maybe some of these little decorative balls. So let's get started. We're so excited.
First, add 2/3 cup of Elmer's glue to your bowls. Next, you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to your glue. Add 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. The more you use, the fluffier your slime will be. Next, add whatever food coloring you would like to add to your slime. Next, mix those ingredients together until you reach the desired color that you love. Then you're going to add 1½ tablespoons of contact lens solution. Next, you're gonna mix it up until it is slimy and stretchy. Sometimes it's easier to get messy and put your hands in there. We added some jewels, sparkles, and foam beads to our unicorn fluffy slime.